Hello and welcome to the channel. My name is Kevin Tate, and today we will be going over a basic cleaning on a Cornelius ED-150 fountain machine. We're going to start off with this basic cleaning, wiping down the dispenser covers. Just checking to make sure none of them are loose or falling off. If so, you want to be sure to clip them on securely. And then spray a little cleaner sanitizer around the nozzles, the dispenser levers, the back splash guard, and then you want to go ahead and start removing your nozzles. Remove your nozzles and place them into a bucket of sanitizer. Most times, site staff will take those nozzles off and allow them to soak overnight in sanitizer and then reinstall them in the morning. Then you want to apply some sanitizer spray or cleaner spray onto the drip tray and then onto the under panel, the under plate of the dispensers, and then you want to wipe down underneath your dispensers and wipe down each of the dispenser levers. A lot of times those levers tend to get sticky with syrup and sugar, so you want to be sure to spray those down with your cleaner and sanitizer and wipe them down fully. And then you want to wipe down your drip tray. If you need to, you can clean out the inside of the drip tray if it has buildup on it. Then you want to wipe down your ice chute and the ice chute handle. You want to spray down the side panels and the merchandiser, and you want to wipe those down as well. Just a quick note, if you're working on cleaning the dispensers, you'll want to turn the machine off so that the soda doesn't dispense while you're cleaning the dispense handles. And then once you get the cleaning complete, you'll want to go make sure that you turn back on the fountain machine with the key. Now that you have everything clean and your nozzles are soaking in the sanitizer, you can go ahead and rinse those nozzles and then reinsert them into the dispense heads. This is what the nozzle looks like. You'll want to push up and twist to the right to install the nozzles. To remove the nozzles, you can twist to the left and pull down. This is what your nozzle O-ring looks like. There's a small O-ring on that shaft. You want to inspect those nozzles when you take them off and be sure that they each have the O-ring in place and that the O-ring's not damaged and that the nozzle itself isn't damaged. And that's your basic cleaning. Thank you for choosing Donastar Enterprises, the trusted name in commercial beverage equipment service. Our nationwide network delivers expert installations, maintenance, repairs, and system upgrades you can rely on. Visit us at www.donastar.com or call 833-366-2782 today. Donastar Enterprises, powering performance one system at a time.